Ever hear someone say your heart stops when you sneeze? Sounds dramatic, but nope, it doesn't. What actually happens is a brief change in heart rhythm, not a complete pause. Sneezing involves pressure changes in your chest that can momentarily slow your heartbeat, but your heart keeps pumping. It's part of your body's natural reflexes, not a mini heart attack. Still, people say bless you like you've survived something serious. But the real reason behind that tradition is ancient superstition. So next time you sneeze, relax, your heart's not skipping town. Want to know which other common health facts are totally made up? Like this video. Comment what myth you believed as a kid. And subscribe for more weird science-backed health facts.